Прыгаем!
The attack unfolded with stunning speed and devastating precision. In the gray light of early morning, a massive Russian military convoy stretched along a critical road near the front line, its armored vehicles, troop carriers, and supply trucks moving in what appeared to be a routine deployment. Within minutes, however, the formation became the target of a coordinated Ukrainian FPV drone assault that transformed the quiet battlefield into a scene of chaos and destruction. Explosions erupted one after another across the convoy, sending towering columns of smoke into the sky and forcing stunned Russian troops to scramble for cover as the strike unfolded in real time. According to battlefield reports and footage circulating from the area, Ukrainian operators had been tracking the convoy's movement for hours before launching the attack. The Russian column reportedly consisted of numerous armored personnel carriers, military trucks carrying ammunition and fuel, and vehicles transporting soldiers toward active combat positions. As the convoy entered a vulnerable stretch of road with limited cover, Ukrainian reconnaissance units relayed exact coordinates to FPV drone teams positioned several kilometers away. What followed demonstrated once again how low-cost drone technology is reshaping modern warfare. The first drones targeted the lead vehicles, a tactic frequently employed to trap an entire convoy in place. Moments after the initial impacts, several explosions rocked the front of the column, instantly creating confusion among Russian drivers and commanders. Vehicles behind attempted to halt or reverse, but the narrow route provided little room for maneuver. The sudden bottleneck turned the convoy into an ideal target, with dozens of vehicles compressed into a relatively small area and unable to disperse quickly enough to avoid the incoming wave of attacks. Witness footage revealed scenes of extraordinary destruction. FPV drones, guided directly by operators through onboard cameras, plunged into moving vehicles with remarkable accuracy. Some struck troop carriers traveling at speed, while others targeted fuel trucks whose destruction triggered secondary explosions visible from great distances. Thick black smoke engulfed sections of the road as burning debris scattered across the landscape. The precision of the strike suggested extensive preparation and coordination, highlighting the increasing sophistication of Ukrainian drone warfare units. As the attack intensified, Russian soldiers reportedly abandoned several vehicles and attempted to seek shelter in nearby tree lines and drainage ditches. Yet the danger did not end when troops left their transports. Additional drones arrived overhead, searching for concentrations of personnel and vulnerable equipment. Battlefield observers noted that FPV operators appeared to prioritize vehicles carrying ammunition and logistical supplies, understanding that destroying support assets can be just as damaging as eliminating combat vehicles. Every successful strike further disrupted the convoy's ability to continue its mission. Military analysts say the operation reflects a growing trend across the front. FPV drones, once viewed as improvised battlefield tools, have evolved into some of the most feared weapons in the conflict. Costing only a fraction of traditional guided missiles, these drones can deliver explosive payloads directly onto tanks, armored personnel carriers, artillery systems, and troop concentrations. Their relatively low price allows operators to deploy them in large numbers, creating swarms capable of overwhelming defenses and striking multiple targets in rapid succession. For the Russian forces caught in the convoy, the attack created a cascading series of problems. Damaged vehicles blocked escape routes, fire spread between closely positioned transports, and communication networks reportedly struggled to keep pace with the rapidly changing situation. Officers attempting to reorganize their units faced constant pressure from incoming drones. Every movement risked drawing attention from operators watching the battlefield through live video feeds, turning even routine evacuation efforts into dangerous undertakings. The destruction of fuel and ammunition vehicles appeared particularly significant. Military logistics experts often emphasize that armies depend not only on frontline combat power but also on a continuous flow of supplies. A convoy may carry the fuel needed to keep armored formations moving or the ammunition required to sustain offensive operations. When those supplies are destroyed before reaching their destination, the consequences can extend far beyond the immediate battlefield. Units expecting reinforcements or resupply may suddenly find themselves facing shortages that undermine future operations. Footage from the aftermath painted a grim picture. Burned-out hulks of military vehicles lined sections of the roadway, while smoke drifted across the surrounding countryside. Several vehicles appeared completely destroyed, reduced to twisted metal by powerful explosions. Craters marked the points of impact, and scattered debris testified to the force of the detonations. Although exact casualty figures remain difficult to verify, reports suggested that the convoy suffered substantial personnel and equipment losses during the strike.